How to export layers in GIMP. If you wish to export just one layer, what you need to do, you need to make all the layers invisible except the layer that you wish to export. And then you need to click on that layer that you wish to export to make it active. And then you need to go here on File, go here on Export As, and then here you can choose the file format. For example, let's just say PNG. And then you need to choose the folder where you wish to export that layer. Let's say, for example, this folder here. Click on Export, give it a few seconds, click on Export again, and give it a few seconds. And when I open that folder, here you can see this is the layer that I just exported from GIMP, as you can see here. Now, if you wish to export all the layers at once, at the same time, you need to make all the layers visible again, okay? And then what you need to do, you need to go here on File, click here on Export As, and then here you need to add a new ending, ORA, okay? And you need to choose the folder where you wish to export these layers. I will keep the same folder, click here on Export. Now this may take some time depending on how many layers you wish to export and how big those layers are. Okay, when I open this folder again, here you can see how this file looks now. So what you need to do, you need to go here on View, you need to go here on Show, and you need to click here on File Name Extensions. So you can see here .ora. What you need to do next, you need to mark this file, right click here, go on Rename. And then here you wish to replace this ORA with a zip file, okay? Just say zip, okay? And press enter. Click here on yes, give it a second, and here you can see how this looks. When I open this zip file, and when I go here on data, here you can see I have 3 layers, all of these 3 layers here, and they're all in PNG file. So this is how you export layers in GIMP.